crosses over stepping stones. For some odd reason, he was a river clan. Draws fresh kill in the pile. Let's see. Where is Firestar, my mate? This clan is big here. Wait, the moon pool can't be here, but maybe it's somewhere closer? Ooh, somewhere I haven't checked. Maybe the warrior's den? Maybe it's the... Nuzzles was someone or something under the tree. I love you, Spottedleaf. Purrs. I hope nobody finds out about this. Me too. Although, by the sense of my nose, I can tell that somebody's looking. But who? Who do you think, Fireheart? Fireheart, are you standing behind me? Oh, you are. Okay. Why aren't you responding? Just thinking, but I think it's Sandstorm. How will you explain? I don't know yet, but we're gonna have to find out soon. Okay, whatever you say. You guys aren't that sneaky. And Fireheart, what's happening? You mean Firestar? Yeah, sorry, Firestar. But I'm really angry about this. What's happening? Wait a minute. To you? I see what's going on. Do you even love me anymore? I'm so confused, but there's one question before I leave this clan. Do you love me? It's not that I don't love you, Sandstorm. It's that I really want to be with Spottedleaf in the first place. Yeah, Sandstorm. He didn't love you anymore. He wanted to be with me in the first place. See how that feels, being rejected the first time, but being loved the second. Walks to the back. Now time to walk this. Well, I'm gonna become a kitty pet. And now I know that you love me. Now I know that you don't love me. I'm gonna go talk to Blue Star. See ya. Huh. And I'm almost done. I like the Firestar. I like the Firestar. He forgot that he wasn't Fireheart anymore. He forgot that he wasn't blue. There is no Blue Star. Instead, I'll drown myself in the water. Then I get a Star Kid spirit and say to him that he did the wrong decision. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video on POV. What if Firestar and Sandstorm got divorced? And what if Spottedleaf lived longer? Bye.